naman nabitin.
One, two, three. Si Mingming.
Okay, stop po tayo everyone. Mommy and Daddy.
G. Nagkaroon na kami tayo ng masisipag at may energy na ating mga kids. We will now proceed to our first game. So ang ating first game ay tinatawag na Hey! 20 peso coin pa kaya lang yung ay parang lang ito kay Kuya Brian. 20 peso coin po. 20 peso coin. 20 peso coin. Coin po coin. Kaya papakita lang ito kay Kuya Brian. Hindi po ibibigay baka ito isang masahin yan mamaya-maya pa uwi.
Kids, balikan po ulit tayo dito sa unahan for our program. Hindi po mas bata, tagalin pa. Let's all welcome the main highlight of this event. Press together with Mommy Pearl and Daddy Dog and everybody sing. Yung mas malakas. I think kaya pa ng isa. Okay, Mommy. And this time, kakanta po tayo ng mas malakas. Yung may mas energy. In 3, 2, and happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, bago po i-blow ni Franz ang kanyang candle, maaari ko na lang po ba mahingi ang munting wish ng ating dear parents to our dear celebrant? Wala ka po si Daddy?
Wish ko lang sa'yo, maybe always be a good girl and mag-aaral maigi. Yun lang. Lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. Anak, okay lang. Okay na.
Happy birthday, ate. Basta maging masunurin sa mapagmahal kang anak, okay na kami doon. Maging mabuti ka lang na tao. Ibigay namin sa'yo lahat. Yan. Love you.
Okay, at bibilang po ako ng 3, 2, 1 as a cue at sabay-sabay po natin siyang babatiin ng Happy Birthday, Franz! Kaya in 3, 2, and 1! Happy birthday! You may now blow your candles and may your wish dream come true! Okay, to all our guests.
Sana magkaibigan pa rin tayo.
Ano kaibigan pa rin ba?
Kaya ako lagi pinapayagan kasi ako bantay sa kapatid ko eh.
Ayun naman pala.
Sana na...
Kami naman na ba? Sino yan? Tagal namin na. Tagal namin na yan. Iyak na kaya.
Ayun, ibinulong na
Ay!
lang.
Secret!
Ayan, super confidential daw po ng wish.
Sabi daw!
Okay, maraming salamat. And picture take na lang kasama ang ating birthday celebrant ng iba po. And please be ready because you are the second to our 7th balloon. Scarlett Corniguera po. Scarlett Corniguera, you can now go here.
Scarlett! Ate Yana!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, Plancha.
Okay,
Love you.
oh, so sweet. Welcome naman po natin. Ay, we can now take a picture together with our birthday celebrant. Okay, maraming salamat. And next, please be ready, Michaela Sim Alforte, because you are the next for our 7th balloon. Okay, let's proceed to Ellie Guray po. Ellie Guray, you can now go here because you are the second or the third for our 7th balloon. Maybe hear your wish for
Happy birthday, Happy Plancha. I love you.
Okay, palakpakan naman natin si baby girl. Maraming salamat. And picture na lang po tayo kasama ang ating birthday celebrant. Okay, look at the camera, baby girl. In 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay, there you go. And please ready because you were next for our 7th balloon. Manda Isobel Cruz. Next po ay si Avery Illustrismo. Sorry, wala na. And for sa last po sa ating 7th balloon, we have Farah Elena Illustrismo po.
Si Kuya! Tapos si Kuya!
Okay, baby Farah, maybe hear your wish na lang po for our birthday celebrant.
Sa mic! Sa mic! Hold the mic! Hold it!
Happy birthday, ate.
I love you! Kiss! 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 Picture! Picture! On!
Maraming
Para di nag-aawa!
Inaanayahan ko po lahat ng participants for our 7 balloons.
Parang ano?
Capture the moment together with po.
Picture yan
Ang
na!
ating mga participants for 7 balloon for photo opportunity together with our birthday celebration.
Happy birthday, Brad. Don't be too naughty. Always obey your parents. Always stay free. Alright, thank you so much, Sir John. Picture taking na lang po tayo sa ating birthday celebrant. None other than Ate Franz. And now, be ready. Alright, look at the camera first, Ate Franz. Then 3, 2, 1, smile. Alright, be ready because you're the next. May call hit mo, may Ishikawa. What? Please, come in front.
Sobrang sa exposure.
Alright, thank you so much, Ate Hitomi, and picture taking na lang po tayo together with our song. Alright, thank you so much, and now be ready because you're the next. May call at Irish, Ethan.
Happy birthday, Ate Branda. Wish ko sa'yo, sana magpala ka ng mga kapalihan. Maging mabuting anak ka lang kay Mami Pearl and kay Daddy Dong. At sana maging mabuting ate ka rin sa mga kapatid mo. Huwag kayong mag-away lagi.
Very good ka. Hindi, meron ko hindi nag-ano.
Ayun, mahal ka namin na Ate Ibor, Ate Daddy ba? Ate na Mama Shea, Ate Papa mo. Ayun lang, I love you so much, Ate Branda.
Alright, thank you so much po, Ma'am Irish, Ethan, and picture taking na lang po tayo together with our birthday celebrant. Alright, and be ready because we're the
Bakit yung mga nakasama ko sa loob? Manong ulam?
Alright, thank you so much po, and picture taking na lang po tayo, and be ready because you're the next. Mary Malani Del Rosario.
Marmalada.
Laki ka na ha. Sana makinig ka lagi sa mga gusto ko ha. Hindi sana iwas clumsy kasi lagi ka natatapan. Ngayon, gusto tayo sana maging masaya ka sa buhay mo at maging successful at maging mabuti ang bagay.
Alright, thank you so much po. And to complete our 7 wishes, may call on Alexandra Del Rosario.
Wish ko is sana di kami patawin. Okay pa rin okay. Tapos, makinig ka lagi sa mga mo. Parang di ka nakikinig lagi. I love you, babe.
Alright, thank you so much, Ma'am Alexandra. Stay na lang din po tayo dyan. And all our participants po ng ating 7 wishes, please come in front for group picture together with our birthday celebrant, Don Aguilar at their friends.
Stay pretty and smart and balik sumunod sa mga bulan.
Wow.
Birthday.
Alright, thank you so much. And picture taking na lang po tayo together with our birthday celebrant. Kaya look at the camera first po. And 3, 2, 1, smile!
Miguel.
Alright, be ready because you're the next. May call on Ian. Now with that.
Umuwi ako. Say thank you ha. Say thank you. Pag may nagbigay siya gift, say thank you. Okay?
Birthday Franz, wish ko sana mabait ka kagaya ng mama mo.
Ha? Hindi naman. Ha? Grabe yung
Taking picture na po.
Nay.
Alright, look at the camera first po here, Ate Franz. Then 3, 2, 1, smile!
Di ba ito na? Joke 7.
Ayan, let's proceed naman po kay Ma'am Gina Atendido.
Sobrang cake. Walang maniniwala. Yakat ng matanda eh. Ay, ang pinakabata niya.
Happy birthday, Franz. Sana lumaki kang mabait na bata.
Kami mag-a-advance
Sundin
ng mga regalo.
naman lagi ang mga
Kami mag-a-advance ng regalo.
Go.
Alright, thank you so much, Ma'am Gina. And now, be ready because you're the next Mabi Pihasa. And Ma'am Gina, picture taking na lang po tayo together with our birthday celebrant.
Asa ko ba noon? Nung birthday ko, diba magkakasama tayo, diba? Ako, ay, gas.
Alright, once again, we call on Mabi Pihasa. Pihasa, to please come in front.
Same.
Uy, ano ba, babe? Yung option girl mo naman.
Hindi ako sa shot ko.
Happy birthday. Sana gusto namin kita sa'yo. And be a good girl always. And thank you. Dati yan pag-aral. Happy birthday.
Sabi ko sa anak ko.
Alright, picture taking na lang po muna tayo. I'm sorry po. And thank you so much, Ma'am Mabi. And now, be ready because you're the next. May call on JV Sortino.
Ayun yung pinakamaganda. Eh.
Alright, thank you so much, Ma'am Mabi.
Napalaga.
Hi, friends. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang na good birthday ka lagi. And protect mo si Mami at Alto, saka si Papa, and yung brother and sister. Happy birthday, baby. I love you.
Ano para sa'yo naman yun? Ha? Para sa'yo naman.
Alright, thank you so much, Sir JV. Picture taking na lang po tayo to capture the moment together with our birthday celebrant. And to complete our 7 gifts, may I call on Crisel and Contanta to please come in front.
Hi, fans. Happy birthday. Sana lumaki kang mas maganda pa. May sakit sa Diyos. Tsaka sana palain ka palalo. Tsaka yung parents. Ayun lang.
Natatap siya! Ano ko kasi? Ayoko. Sige na! Si Miguel na lang! Si Miguel!
Okay po, picture taking na lang po together with our birthday celebrant. Look na lang po tayo sa camera and give your biggest smile. 3, 2, and 1. And don't cry na po your own brain. Okay, give your smile. Ay, hindi nakakalimutan. Maraming salamat. Next po ay si Carlos Miguel. Ilustings mo po. Ilustings mo. Please, hindi mo kakalimutan. Next po ay si Jen Skyler Daya po. Jen Skyler, can I go here? And ina-announce na po natin ang ating birthday celebrant.
Dance! Dance! Kumawa ka, Dal!
Okay, there you go. And look at the camera.
Galing ah!
Okay, look at the camera and give your biggest smile. 3, 2, 1.
Right,
Okay,
go.
stay lang po tayo dyan, Kuya Jen.
Yeah,
Now,
ganun.
please be ready. Prince Court Figuera po. Wait lang, stay po muna tayo. Next po ay si Prince Court Figuera. You can now go here. Once again, wag po muna iiwan natin sa laban hanggang wala ka po ang kaso. You can now go there, Kuya Prince. Okay, maraming salamat pa rin kung bumalik sa iyo pa.
Hawa ka, Jeans! Ayo.
Ayun. Kamay na lang ang sumagaw. Ayun na siya ata si Ate Franz. That's okay. Okay. Now look at the camera po tayong dalawa. Kuya Prince and Ate Franz. Look at the camera.
Camera,
And give your smile. Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1. There you go. One more time. Okay, stay na po tayo, Kuya Prince. And ready po, Kuya Calvin Rivera. Kuya Calvin, you can go here. Because you are the next for our
Dance! 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 Kumawa ka kasi! Ganun mag-dance, princess! Yan, ganyan.
Calvin po, si Calvin.
Yan.
Okay.
Hawa ka sa balikat! Yan!
Okay, na-dance lang po tayo. Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1. Okay, sige, sway lang. Sway lang po. Ay, parang nagtutugyan lang ng bata itong dalawa. Okay, parang kailangan ata ng sample ni Kuya Brian at ni Kuya AC kung paano ang sir. Okay, look at the camera na lang, kids, and give your biggest smile. Okay, look at the camera in 3, 2, 1. Smile. Okay, one more time. There you go. Okay, wait lang po, Kuya. Okay, wait lang po. Stay lang po tayo. Please be ready, Kaden. You can now go here. Kaden, Bilal po. Yeah, where is Kaden Bilal? You can now go here. Ita-dance lang po natin ang ating birthday celebration.
Ayun. Okay, boy. Mukha ng papa niyo, oh.
Okay, there you go.
Franz, slowly lang. Ayos na. Ano, don't breathe ka na.
Ayan, kung sino po ang may mga sanggol dyan, pwede niyo po ibigay dito sa unahan. Libre Kaden na po.
Ako naman din yan, oh.
Okay, look at the camera po. Kuya Kaden and Ate Franz. Look at the camera. And give your biggest smile. Okay, give your smile. Look at her and smile. Kuya Kaden. Smile. There you go.
Laruan ka.
One more time dito po tayo sa camera tumingin. Sa camera. In 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay, maraming salamat. And for our last, or to complete our 7 roses, we have Sir Franco Erie Illustration.
Eh, ako! Ako! Kulit eh.
Okay, last na po yan. Don't you worry, Ate Franz.
Brad, hawakan na kayo, kuya. Hawakan na.
Ayan.
Dito, dito.
Talagang nagpapatulog ng bata.
Dito, dito. Pay na lang, pay. Dito sa gitna.
Okay, sa gitna daw po kayo mag-hele. Kuya Franco and Ate Franz, look at the camera.
Picture na, picture.
Okay, look at the camera and give your biggest smile.
Smile sa picture.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay, one more time po. Walking naman in 3, 2, and 1. There you go. And to all the... Okay, one more time in 3, 2, 1. There you go. Maraming salamat. Rata! Ito? Ang sasabihin?
Hello, Philippines. Hello.
Ayun ang lipi. Okay, Rata! Ang sasabihin? Binago na ni Madam. Okay, maraming salamat, player. Rata! Ikot? At sasabihin?
Hello world, hello Philippines.
Ayun. Magkakunengkan ata sila ni player number 5. Iniba nila. Okay, player number 2, I think it's your time to shine. Ayan, muli, napakamot si player number 2. Sabi, ano ba yan? Ganun na nga yung rampa, tapos iniba pa. Siyempre si player number 2 nang bahala dyan. Ano ba yan? Okay, hawak sa bewang and chin up. Ayan, go madam, kaya mo yan. Play that music.
Tabor!
Rampa! Iko? At sasabihin?
Hello Philippines and hello world.
Ayun na, alam niyo na kung sino ang susunod na kabanata. Charot. Okay, first player, it's your time to shine. Handa ka na ba, ma'am? Ilalaban ang cardigan. Ayan, hawak po tayo sa bewang and chin up. And play that music. Mataas mo na. Rampa! Ikot? Ay, at sasabihin?
Hello Philippines and hello world.
Sabi niyo, okay, isa pa po. Dito naman nakaharap sa mga guests. Kasi parang nakakababae ka naman. Okay. Once again, ano pong isisigaw?
Hello Philippines and hello world.
Pang international na. Okay, palakpakan naman natin ang Team Girls. And for our 3, 2,